Hello everyone, and as you know, the winter is coming and I shifted some stuff around here. The cars are put away, the winter tires are on the Tesla. I got the snowblower ready, town car has a different spot, and the Ford Explorer got new winter tires, and that's what we're talking about right now. And then we'll talk about how much they cost and why winter tires are so expensive. So first of all, the old tires we had on here were Pirelli Scorpions, for the SUVs, the winter tires, the winter Scorpions. Now this one here, I tried to find a tire that doesn't break the bank and is still not a bad tire. And man, the Michelins and Pirellis and even some Continentals, they were all from, I would say, over 500, 440, horrendous prices for this size, which is crazy. So what did I go with? I went with the Vredestein tires, and they are called Wintrac Pro. You know, the size is 275/45, and those are 21 inch wheels. And of course these here are the 3-peak rated snow tires, and I think it shows when you look at the thread. The car is dirty, it's raining outside. So these are the stock wheels that came with the Explorer, the Platinum. The black ones that I have are the same ones as this, but I had them powder coated. Stock wheels, the brakes are still the first. See, everything looks good here. For the Explorer, it's a daily driver for my wife and the kids. She drives them around in this, and so it gets a lot of miles, and that's been good for us. Anyways, these tires here are my choice for this year, or for the next couple winters, I hope. And I'll show you in some pictures what they cost. Right off the top of my head, I think they were $380 per tire. So far they seem to be good. We don't have snow yet, but what I read, they're not bad for the money. Now that's not cheap, that's a lot of money for a tire, you know. But all the other ones, they were $100 more, clear up to over 500, which is horrendous for a car like that. And then of course when you mount them, you know, you have to pay for that too. Mount the tires for the waste, throw the old ones away. So there goes a little short of $200 again. So it gets expensive to put good tires on your vehicles. Now, why are the tires so expensive? I looked up the tires, some different models, and I'm showing you the pictures. I'll put them in right now in the video so you can see it. Here in the US, the same model tire and the same one over in Europe, and I picked Germany as a country. They are about 100 less over there, which is, I don't know why, you know. Why is that? Why is there such a gap there between continents, between the tires? Why are they so much more expensive in the United States than over on the European continent? Why is that? Maybe someone knows. I have no idea. I mean, is there a conspiracy theory about it? Is it Joe Biden's fault? Maybe it's still Michelle Obama's fault. I don't know what's going on. It's just irritating for me, you know, a normal person who needs tires, that we have to pay so much for a nice set of winter tires. Of course, it's the size too. 21-inch tires are always more expensive than 17 inches like here on the town car. But not only, because also town car tires, when I bought those, they're already more expensive than they used to be. Or the 19-inch here on the Tesla, also pretty expensive tires. Well, I bought those last year, but I remember they weren't cheap. There is something going on there why the tires are so expensive. I know for tires you need crude oil, so the crude oil prices may go up. You also need rubber. I don't know what the rubber prices are like right now, but maybe it has something to do with that. I'm not sure. I really don't know. But the difference, that gap between Europe and the United States, that's really what gets me. And I don't know what's going on. So I found a little bit, made a little bit of research, and I'll put the information in the video so you can see what I'm talking about. Just looked it up because I felt silly. So they were 324 a tire at Tire Rack, those Vredestein Wintrac Pro tires. Now over in Europe, in Germany, at a similar place where you can buy tires, they were 274 euros. Of course that's euros and not US dollars, but the difference is not that extreme, and you can tell they are cheaper over in Europe. So why is there a gap? I don't know. And why did the tires get so expensive? I really don't know. I mean, inflation is a reason, of course, too. You know, with the inflation, tires go up. That is one reason, but it can't be just that. So who knows? By the way, Vredestein is a brand from the Netherlands. At least it used to be. It was founded in the Netherlands, and some years ago, I believe, wasn't it 2013, they got bought by a tire company from India. So they make the Vredestein tires now. But don't think that's a bad tire, because there's other tire companies as well that belong to that parent company in India now, and I don't dare name them now because it's been a while since I looked it up. But I think, yeah, I don't want to say anything because I'm not sure which tire brands it was. I'll look it up when I do the video, so you'll see exactly what I mean. Anyways, there's a couple big ones in the world that produce all the rubber for the tires, and that doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad tire. And I always talk bad about Chinese tires, but as we've seen, the Chinese tires on the Tesla, not these are Nokians, but the ones that I had on in the summer, they were pretty decent tire, so which I never had thought. That being said, how about you guys? Do you have winter tires on your vehicle? You need winter tires where you live? We do need them here, that's for sure. So you can get by with all season, all weather tires, but it is tough and you slide around and it's not safe, especially the braking power is really reduced. So you can get going in that Explorer pretty good with bad tires, but then if you have to brake, very risky, and it kind of keeps going sideways, the Explorer, you know, kind of tries to go sideways with bad tires, and very unsafe, especially for a family vehicle, very unsafe. The last remark, why does Ford put 21-inch wheels on that? That's beyond me too. They could have put 20s on there or even 19s, and it would have been just as well, and cheaper to maintain and cheaper to buy tires for it. So that being said, okay, that was it. Talk about winter tires. When the first snow is on the ground, I'll take the vehicles out that have winter tires and we'll do some testing and some driving. We'll see how they work. Maybe I'll do a brake test once. That'd be good on a nice empty parking lot somewhere. I'll see. I'll find out what I can do. All right. Wish you a happy weekend, and talk to you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please like. Helps me. Hey, it doesn't cost a dime. It's free. Thanks.